This time on Essex Speed Workshop,
we're installing these BC Racing coilovers on this Subaru WRX Wagon, as the ones that are on there are very unknown and questionable.
and these ones are good.
Hopefully. I bought this car a few years ago as my daily driver. At the time it was a lot of fun thrashing around the Essex countryside. However, needing something more reliable, it ended up being parked and sat sad and unloved for a number of months. This is my 2003 Subaru WRX Wagon. Having been stood for a number of months, the current coilovers on the car are very much an unknown quantity and are probably in desperate need of a service. With some new used ones on the shelf that we know are good, we're going to fit these to the vehicle before sending it on its way. Once the car is safely in the air, the first step is to remove the wheel. There are two bolts at the bottom of the strut that attach the coilover to the hub. These must be removed. Oh, that is the right way.
Is she coming?
Yeah.
I think I've made this part of the car.
That is wobbling.
Yeah, that's what I said when you...
Yeah.
It'd be alright, we're not doing anything too...
We're not underneath it.
Yeah. Apart from when we're trying to get the deck back out, that is now part of the car. Hey!
It's not completely off, but I assume it's being a bit of a pig because it's rusted. Because the end's exposed.
Do you want the other spanner that goes
I was going to get the 15, yeah.
They're not 15?
You've had to be a 16, that's why. Oh, the 15. This is just where it's been exposed to the elements. The end of the thread's all gagged.
Yeah.
Covered in schmutz. On?
Can you not just wedge one in from behind? No, from that way. Yeah, like that.
It's like operation. I can't even. Let's get this one out of the way because it's getting more. I'm gonna grab a hammer.
The light over the other side.
There we go. Noise. Well, there's my nut.
Yay.
Oh, hello.
Hello. Easy time.
There's my bolt. My big bolt. Next we have to remove the three nuts from the top of the coilover. These are located in the boot under a handy flap.
No.
Do it all.
Ugh. I was trying to do it one-handed, and I was doing it the wrong way.
Oh, that would also not help. Ta-da! One crusty EJ205-ish. With extras like the GFB laugh valve. I think that's the only shiny thing up here, apart from the coilovers. It's got new coil packs on it.
Yeah.
You can't see them though.
Got new belts.
Yeah. To be fair, the engine's actually pretty
Healthy.
yeah, remember I've done clutch, head gasket, timing belt, timing kit, water pump, all the gaskets from top to bottom. The brake line and ABS sensor brackets need to be removed at the front. The rest of the process is the same as the back. A spanner pressed against the back of the bolt whilst turning it helps remove the bolt. Right. Out with the old, in with the new. I can't find me hole. Found me hole. Not me.
God, these are a bit crusty.
You're a bit crusty.
Your face is a bit crusty.
I think that one is, the other two look alright.
I forgot I was meant to be recording. I was just watching myself put bolt.
That'll do for now.
Yeah. Should we do it so it's almost properly? Because we know it had too much camber on, didn't it? So if we lobe it out, it'll have less go.
Yes.
We don't know how it's adjusted at the top though. If it's adjusted the same.
See. Let's
Just get them in.
Let me just unnut first. I'm slowly remembering how I did this last time. And it wasn't like this.
Did you get the jack under it?
I did! Should we get the jack?
Using a jack underneath the hub, you can raise the hub relative to the coilover to align the bolt holes. After a bit of wiggling and perseverance, the bolts can be inserted. She's coming up.
Right, since I'm pretty sure the lobe is facing out.
We want it to face in, don't we? Because it had too much before. Had too much camber.
Yeah, we do. So, I'm using this as a reference point, as a 6 on it. So when that 6 is facing not towards me, the lobe should be ranged.
Yeah, you saw it go in then. It's coming back out again now.
Is it?
Yeah. Yeah, it's coming back out now.
Tell me when.
There, whoa.
Okay. Put that down there for later. Later pin right now. If I could get a spanner on it, it'd be lovely. Have I got the wrong spanner? No, it's a 19.
No.
Okay, it's just crushed.
She's just a little bit.
Ready?
Yeah. nice and tight. I think that's going anywhere in a hurry.
Bloody hope not.
Where are the bolts to the top? Oh, I see.
Because I couldn't remember. Do you know how much a pain in the backside this is to do on your own?
Yeah. Down a bit. Oh, hello. Yeah, way too much. Up. Anti-clockwise.
Hang on, sorry, I can't do that anymore.
Ow!
I'm caught on the knuckle.
Up. Hold. Don't forget to wiggle it. Don't wiggle it too hard.
Keep an eye on the car for me.
Yeah. You're alright. Yeah, she's good.
What's the bottom one?
Just needs bashing in. Yeah, so it's already up. I think it might even be a little too high.
No, I don't think it is because it's not far enough backwards. It's alright.
Push it.
Push it.
There we go.
She's stancing.
She went low.
Yeah, she will be low, but
She's got some camber.
she is. She's got way more negative camber on the front.
That's all right. Nah, I think that looks all right. It
That
looks
what?
low.
Get low, get low. It's probably the same as it was.
Is it?
Well, we only checked one of them. I mean, we checked all of them very well. That tyre definitely needs air, you're right.
This looks pretty spot on actually at the back.
Yeah?
I think that looks all right.
Join us next time on Essex Speed Workshop, where the restoration takes a step up as we discover a large amount of rust in one of the chassis rails.